All right, so getting ready to do an oil change on this car, 3.6 V6 Dodge Charger. This one's a Pursuit model, but that doesn't really matter for the purpose of this video. Got a brand new oil filter, just gonna go right under here. And then I've got 6 quarts of Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W20. And that's what these Pentastars like, apparently, is this Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. It's not an expensive oil. It's like just the oil by itself, I want to say, was like under 30, and then this was like $6 or $7, so somewhere around there, no more than 50 to do it yourself. So that's what we're going to do. So you need either a 15/16 or a 24 millimeter for the oil filter, and then you need a 13 millimeter for the oil pan bolt. Of course, one of those, as well as a proper funnel. And just so we get some better flowage, pull the cap off, stash that right there. So we've got the splash shield down here too. It looks like it's held on with 4 10 millimeter bolts, so we're gonna pull those out with that. By the way, there's gonna be a bunch of dirt that comes out of this. This vehicle was an auction car, and it was stored in the desert. This is actually a perfect time to pull this whole thing off and clean it off. Like I said, and we'll have a good look at everything else under here. Not seeing any indication of any leaking, so that's really good. I'm definitely relieved of that, but I have a feeling I would have noticed something at some point anyways. All that stuff back there is just condensation that's coming down. So 13 millimeter. Of course, it's on there tight. All right, so all that's done now. So I'm just gonna put the bolt back in. And it's 20 to 25 foot-pounds. I've already got this torque wrench set up for 20. It's always important not to over tighten these. It's very much imperative to not over tighten these things when you go back on with them. There's that. Secure. I haven't had to do this since I worked in aviation. Here's our new one. There it is. Everything is seated properly. Now this, I'm just gonna kind of start it. Get right about there. This one requires 18 foot-pounds, so I'm going to adjust this accordingly. There we go. All right, so next step, get the car off the ramps. I had the block behind there, but I already removed that. Parking brake off. Let it run for a couple more seconds. Shut it off.